Do I want to tell you? I only marry men called David. That's my first one. My second one is I have 4 grandkids. Just had a new one in the last 2 weeks. And the third one is I'm actually a mermaid. I love water.
Your joined legs gives it away.
Yeah,
well.
That's right. It's my tail.
You have to hop everywhere. Yeah. I like wearing my socks inside out. That's pretty random. I wear underpants until they disintegrate to nothingness as well. So, and like they literally have to have holes everywhere and almost look like a US style jockstrap before I'll throw them in the garbage bin. Even then I do it with the tear in my eye. But everything else I'm pretty open book on. Everybody, because I'm really short. But you know, I really look up to my folks. You know, they brought me up really well, and I think I'm okay. I'm well functioning, so they did a good job.
I look up to lots of people for different things, I think. I don't think I've got any one person. I just notice lots of awesome traits in many humans. Yeah.
I absolutely adore going to Hawaii. I often I would love for reincarnation to be a thing, because I'm convinced that at one stage I was a Pacific Islander or a Hawaiian or a Tahitian. I hope I was, because I just love it.
For me, anywhere where there's mountains, I love climbing mountains and having that feeling of conquering at the top.
To go back and relive moments of my life as a spectator. That would be cool. Yeah, that would be cool.
Wow, wouldn't it be haunting?
I'm just a really nostalgic human being. Like nostalgia pervades everything inside me, so I'd love to be able to go back. Maybe just even, going back in time would be just awesome.
I think I would have the power to be invisible.
Really?
And choosing when I'm invisible and when I'm not.
That's voyeuristic.
Yeah. To move through the world unseen and then to be seen. That would be super cool. No, I've got one. It's all good.
So my 5-year-old always describes what I do. He's like, so you're in charge of everybody, you tell them what to do. It's actually quite the contrary. I try to excite people to make a vision happen so that they tell me what they need to do. I used to live in the UK and I used to do Tom Jones' Delilah. I saw the flickering shadows of love on her blind. And I brought that back to Australia, but it's a little bit crass and probably not as woke as it should be anymore. So I have to can that one. And so following that, anything from the 1960s, I reckon.
60s?
Yeah.
I'm an 80s girl. I'd pick anything by Annie Lennox.
I can see that.
Yeah. The girl's coming out of the kitchen.
Oh, it's coming out of the kitchen.
I reckon I'd be running an organic macadamia farm in Mullumbimby.
Probably the other thing I'd be doing is maybe being some sort of travelling, adventuring bum. Yeah, with my family though. I'd have to do it with my family.
But we're not, because we're here. And this is what the world's got for us, and how lucky are we, hey?
Yeah.